Devi Murugesan Software Training Center welcomes you. In this video, we are going to see regarding copy and monitor. Okay, in Revit, in Collaborate, we can see copy bar monitor. Okay, what's the purpose? Actually, we are using linked file. Okay, the purpose of copy monitor. We are using linked file. Okay, actually, if architects does any changes, what will happen now? Automatically it will get updated in our linked file also. Okay, but for example, you have finished your model in plumbing. For example, what I'm saying, we have already finished with this one. Okay, connection to water closet, everything, and everything plumbing connections, and you start working on 7th floor. That is 2nd floor. Okay, but all of a sudden architect comes, opens his file and changes those changes in ground floor. Just he changes this wash basin instead of here to this place. What will happen? You already completed design, so you don't know that this changes. So you will do your pipe connection up to here, but if you go there, the wash basin will be here. Okay, for that purpose only we are doing monitoring. Actually, monitoring is if they do any changes, automatically we will get intimation regarding that warning message that he has changed this. That is the purpose of monitor. Okay, monitor whatever else you are already having in your Revit file, that is your file. Actually, in my Revit file, what I am having is only two levels, level 1, level 2. Okay, these other things are from linked file only. So see, I try to select other file, these things I cannot select because it's not here. For that purpose, we need to do copy. Unless you copy that linked file, you cannot access the linked file. Okay. For example, if I go for plumbing, in plumbing we can see more detail. See, I cannot select any wash basin or water closet, anything I cannot select because it's in Revit file, linked file. If I do copy material, then I can select this. That thing we'll see later. Okay, see, and this one by default our this thing is 12 feet. Okay, I'll change this to 12 feet. Okay, right. Now I want to do copy monitor. That is difference between copy and monitor. Monitor whatever objects you are having, that is component you are having in your file, no need to copy. For example, level 1 and 2 I am already having in my file. Say it's select, I can select this because this is in my file, my project file. But these are from linked model only. Okay, whatever else you are having already having, no need to copy, just select monitor. That is, if architect does any changes in level 1, level 2, automatically we will get intimation. What about level 3? I don't have. For that I need to copy. Okay, once I am copied that level, whether I need to monitor that, no need. If you copy, automatically it will get monitored. Okay, right. What are the other things we need to copy monitor? What are these architects does any changes? Okay, whether it will affect you or not. Depending on that, you need to do copy monitor. For example, you are doing HVAC design. Okay, architect changes this wash basin position. Whether it will affect, normally it will not get affected. For plumbing, obviously it will get affected because I am going to, in plumbing connection I want to do connection for this. Okay, if this is placed here, then my pipe will come here up to here only, and then it will be great problem. For electrical, normal, in normal we can say no, nothing will happen, but architect places a mirror in near this and place a lamp here, then what will happen? So once again, if a wash basin gets shifted here, he will change the lamp and the mirror here, then your connection will get complicated. So Depending on situation, you need to select whether copy monitor is needed or not. Okay. Not only for that purpose, I need to add levels. See here only 1 meg, 2 meg is there. Okay, if I go here, see for this floor, okay, for up to this floor I can work, but what about this? For that purpose also we need copy monitor. Okay, we need to copy the levels. Okay, but what are the things you can copy or monitor? What are the items you, if architect changes, okay, and you will get affected, the things you need to copy monitor. Okay, just I go for elevation level and collaborate, copy monitor. Okay, so I just select link. So see my link is selected. Here some items are there. Finish means I completed my copy monitor. Cancel means I cancelled everything. Copy monitor. Okay, I select monitor. See, these items are not selected. Already I told you monitor is to monitor what are the items you are having in your file to linked file. So by default it will select our file only, first instance. Then if I select, it will automatically select the linked file. Okay, what are the things? So I need to select link. See, I am getting symbol like this. This is called monitor. So I select this and select. Hereafter I cannot do monitor, just I need to do copy. Just I copy this two only. Okay, just we will get one warning message. Since it's getting copied, you will get one warning message here. Just ignore this, copy this, and I am not going to copy this item. Just click finish, save. Okay, see now see I am getting copy monitoring. If you want to click stop monitoring, just click stop monitoring means if any changes they are doing in level 4, it will not be get intimated. Okay, right, just I'll close this. I'm going to open Revit file, that file. Okay, now what I am going to do now, just I am going to change this position. Okay, this level, select this. Instead of that I am going to do 10 feet. Some warning will come, don't worry, because I am going to change this to 34 feet. Just I will do, and I am going to add a level also. Just copy, close this file. Now I am going to open my linked file. So instead of link needs coordination review. Just click OK. Then go for collaborate, coordination review, select link. Okay, you are getting two warnings. See, so before this we will see this. See, already this one is level 2 is 12 in 12 feet, and what I moved is 10 feet. See, like this one is from 36 feet, it has been moved to 34 feet. See, this is what I am copied, but now it's changed to this. So it's saying warning. So I'm getting 2 warnings. Actually another one is there, 02 GG 46 feet. Okay, but that warning is not here. See, you cannot see that because I didn't do any copy monitor newly created items, so it will not show any warning on that. Already if any changes done in existing files, that will be informed. Okay, we will get as a warning message. Okay, other things we will not get as a warning messages. Okay, so there if we click there are nearly 12 warning messages are there. Depending on the situation, it will give any warnings. Postpone and reject, those two items we can review. If I click postpone, then once I and the next I can review that. Reject also I can review. Just I click accept difference. Okay, now once again go for coordinate review. What happened? I cannot do anything. See, both the difference are there. Just what happened? I am going to move level. See here, level 4 is 2. Since I have said accept the difference, but if I say move level to level 2, what happens? See, automatically it gets moved. Okay, you got it? Okay, like that only we can see. If you want to change, if you want to change, you cannot do anything. So before doing any modification here, just be careful. Okay, select correct option, because once you saved and closed, you cannot do anything. Since I didn't close, just I did nothing. Okay, just I kept as it is. Okay, just I can undo and bring back. If I close that, I cannot do anything. So before taking any action, be careful and do it. Okay, have a nice day. We will see you later.